Living large in tiny spaces has become a growing trend, with an increasing number of individuals embracing the concept of compact, posh dwellings, even if they are no larger than a standard one-car garage. In this burgeoning movement, residents are willing to shell out substantial sums, often exceeding $2,000 per square foot, for meticulously designed tiny homes strategically located in prime locations across the United States. Let's take a closer look at some remarkable tiny homes. You'll be shocked to see how some of these homes offer more than our traditionally larger homes. For some enthusiasts of tiny living, the appeal lies not in secluding themselves in the woods, but in the freedom to travel with their homes. Priced at $175,000, a 384 square foot tiny home in Arroyo Grande, California exemplifies this nomadic luxury. This mobile marvel can be either hitched to a trailer for mobility or placed on a foundation for a more permanent setting. The exterior, treated with shosugi ban, a Japanese wood-burning technique, exudes a modern aesthetic. The large window in the living room bathes the interior in natural light, making the space feel chic and welcoming. The open living area, coated in hickory wood, hosts a full-sized kitchen with a 30-inch gas stovetop and a double-door fridge, a rarity in tiny homes. The separate toilet and shower room, tiled in a glass mosaic, boasts double sinks, adding another touch of luxury. Completing the ensemble is a full-sized closet in the bedroom, catering to the practical needs of its occupants. Tiny homes attract a diverse range of individuals, and for some, the allure is not just in downsizing, but embracing uniqueness. Priced at $200,000, the Florida Silo home in Lake City stands out as the most distinctive on our list, showcasing a blend of reclaimed wood and metal in its 454 square foot design. This two-level abode, accessible via a rung ladder, features a full-sized kitchen on the lower level, complete with rustic barn doors that open to a spacious bathroom boasting a rainfall showerhead. Ascending the ladder reveals a bedroom with ample windows and access to a 360-degree wraparound porch, a perfect setting for entertaining or simply relishing the surroundings. For those seeking an elevated escape, the $679,000 Hawaii property offers an enticing prospect. Situated 2,500 feet above sea level in the Ohio rainforest, this tiny home is the epitome of an idyllic retreat. The exterior boasts a spacious lanai, providing an opportunity to immerse oneself in the natural beauty surrounding the property. Upon entering, a small living room and full luxury kitchen greet the occupants. The kitchen is equipped with modern conveniences, including a gas stove and oven, a dishwasher, and a custom-made breakfast bar crafted from a surfboard. A sliding barn door made of eucalyptus reveals a large bathroom with a limestone shower and stone double sinks. The lower level houses a small bedroom and a laundry room, offering just enough separation from the living area to dispel the notion that this is a cramped, tiny house. Nestled on the shores of a tranquil lake in West Point, Texas, a 336 square foot cabin stands as a testament to the allure of tiny living. Sold in 2015 for a whopping $434,000, this wood-paneled haven boasts a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and 2 lofted bedrooms. Despite its modest size, the cabin exudes charm and functionality, providing a comfortable retreat for those seeking solace in the embrace of nature. This lakeside cabin in Texas stands as a testament to the serene escape that tiny living can offer. The allure of living by the water, combined with the thoughtful design of the cabin, justifies its hefty price tag. It's not merely a structure, it's an experience, an intimate connection with nature wrapped in the cozy embrace of a well-designed space. Stepping into the historic enclave of Wesleyan Grove in Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts, one encounters an 1860s-era gingerbread cottage, a jewel among the community's storied buildings. Though a diminutive 800 square feet, this privately owned dwelling opens its doors to short and long-term renters at the princely sum of $2,450 per week. If you decide to extend your stay to a month, the tab rises to $9,800. Evidence of the exclusive allure of this charming abode that accommodates up to 4 people. In Martha's Vineyard, we encounter the enchanting gingerbread cottage, a slice of history that transcends its dimensions. The exclusivity of renting such a historic gem, albeit at a premium, speaks to the desire for a unique and memorable living experience. The cottage becomes more than just a place to stay. it becomes a portal to the past, allowing residents to immerse themselves in the charm of a bygone era. In the heart of South Brooklyn, a single-story, 312-square-foot bungalow briefly graced the real estate market in April 2016 with a price just shy of $500,000. Situated on a plot spanning nearly 2,000 square feet, this petite dwelling offers more than meets the eye. While the listing boasts a driveway spacious enough for 6 cars, the home itself is tailored for the comfort of 2. A brief stint on the market in May was followed by its removal, leaving us to ponder the allure that this compact gem held for potential buyers. In South Brooklyn, the briefly available bungalow offers a glimpse into the urban side of tiny living. The juxtaposition of a compact dwelling with a generously sized plot of land adds an interesting layer to the narrative. The Mountain Drive Artist Colony in Santa Barbara, California, cradles a relic from the 1960s, a 510-square-foot adobe hut that stands as a testament to craftsmanship and individuality. Listed at a staggering $1.1 million at one point, this hand-built dwelling found a resident willing to part with $525,000 in June 2016. One of 3 tiny adobe houses remaining in the colony, it stands as a unique and storied architectural creation. Meanwhile, on the West Coast, the adobe hut in Santa Barbara captures the essence of artistic expression and individuality. Hand-built in the 1960s, it stands as a testament to the human desire to create, to build something that reflects one's personality and vision. The fact that it changed hands for a significant sum highlights the appreciation for unique, handcrafted dwellings in a world often dominated by mass-produced homes. If you like the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Perched on the shores of Cape Cod, a tiny beach cottage beckons with its picturesque charm and a price tag of $925,000. Measuring a modest 760 square feet, this seaside abode manages to squeeze 3 bedrooms into its compact frame. The allure of the beach-facing deck adds an extra layer of appeal, making it a coveted property in the Cape Cod real estate landscape. Cape Cod's beach cottage takes us to the quintessential coastal living experience. The compact size is a small sacrifice for the privilege of waking up to the sound of waves and the sight of the vast ocean. The deck facing the beach transforms the cottage into a personal oasis, where the line between indoor and outdoor living blurs, creating a seamless connection with the natural surroundings. As we delve into the details of these shockingly expensive tiny homes, a common thread emerges: the fusion of meticulous design, prime locations, and the allure of compact luxury. While the prices may seem extravagant, the demand for such unique living spaces persists, fueled by a desire for individuality, exclusivity, and a break from the conventional norms of home ownership. In essence, these shockingly expensive tiny homes represent more than just a place to live. They are statements, reflections of individual tastes, preferences, and a departure from the traditional notions of homeownership. The premium prices attached to these dwellings signify a willingness to invest not just in a physical space, but in a lifestyle, an experience that transcends the constraints of square footage. The allure of tiny living lies in its ability to challenge preconceived notions of what a home should be. It's a rebellion against excess, a declaration that living well doesn't require a vast expanse of space. Instead, it emphasizes the importance of thoughtful design, efficient use of space, and a connection to the surroundings. Which home did you find the most luxurious? Please let us know in the comments section below, and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.